I want to work with h0o the Yahoo. Anybody that knows h0o the Yahoo, let him know that his brother, the hero star from United States of Biafra, that I'm looking for him. I need h0o the Yahoo contact. I need his contact. I want to see him face to face. I want to work with h0o the Yahoo. When I will work with him or I contact him, I'll see him, I'll be his guy, I'll be his boy, I'll work for him, and I'll work for the United States of Biafra to make sure that Biafra come to stay a stand. Release of Mazen Namdekano and the release and freedom of United States of Biafra that we all Biafran ask for. h0o the Yahoo is not a bad guy. He's not a terrorist. He's not disturbing the zoo called Nigeria. Me, h0o, I'm coming to tumble the zoo when I get the contact from the h0o the Yahoo. Freedom of Mazen Namdekano and the freedom of Biafra that we all Biafra ask for. No Biafra, no peace. h0o the Yahoo is not doing anything for what I will do when I will come out. Yeah. h0o the Yahoo, you're my blood. You're my brother. I need your contact. I know that this video will reach you. Please, I need your contact. It's where I'm going to. But I'm not very welcome. Do you understand? You fight for our people, h0o the Yahoo. You sold your soul for the freedom of your people. The way I sold my soul for the freedom of our people. No Biafra, no peace. Soludo, you're a man. We are coming for you, Soludo. Do you think that we don't know what you're doing? We all know everything that you're doing. But me, the hero star from the United States of Biafra, Mpega like ya. Soludo, Oga Togoto, yeah, h0o the Yahoo. I need your contact. I like the good work that you are doing with your man. I am coming to join you guys. I am coming to waste all Biafra's enemies.